Category 5 with 185-mile-per-hour winds here on the Abaco Islands, the strongest hurricane on record for the Bahamas, and tied for the strongest landfalling wind speed in the Atlantic Basin in recorded history, tied with a 1935 Labor Day hurricane in Florida. Then basically became stationary over Grand Bahama Island. The eye remained over that island for 24 hours and in all stayed over the islands for roughly 40 hours in total. 12:40, it made a landfall at Elbow Cay. This was September 1st. 2 o'clock, Marsh Harbor, 11 p.m. that night, eastern Grand Bahama. Now, as was alluded to, 40 hours. Could you imagine being in the eye for 40 hours? That's what the northern Bahamas had to deal with. Winds ranged from 185 miles per hour to 120 miles per hour once it finally emerged off the north coast of the Bahamas. And then it paralleled the Florida coastline, turned at the Georgia coastline, missed us in South Carolina with at least the eye staying offshore. And then this morning, 8:35 in the morning, making landfall at Cape Hatteras, North Carolina as a Category 1 with 90-mile-per-hour winds. Palm Coast, Florida, about 5.5 inches of rain. Lake Mary, about 4 inches. Flagler Beach, just under 4 inches. In Georgia, we had wind gusts at Tybee as high as 60. In Savannah, gusts here to 45 miles per hour. And wind gusts here in North Carolina, well, we were the closest, right? So we get the highest winds. Cedar Island, 96 miles per hour. Fort Macon at 89. And Fort Sumter in South Carolina, 80-mile-per-hour winds. What a history it has had. Now where does it go, Jackie? Now it goes to Canada.
Yeah.
It'll be 3 days.